who's totally awake. The first thing is you need running water that's got the right temperature. Cats don't like to be put into water that's stagnant. So we wash Jarrah, give him a good rinse to make sure his fur's wet. Then we're going to put on the shampoo. This is Diathletic cat and dog shampoo. Make sure that you give him a good lather, and especially under the belly, under the neck. Penny, will you do each leg? And under the tail. Some shampoos need to be left on for a good 5 minutes. Just keep lathering them. You always need a washer and a holder for a cat. There we are, baby. Then we're going to rinse him. He needs to rinse thoroughly, and a lot of the shampoos do suds up a lot, so you may need to rinse them for quite some time. Do wash their head, but don't get any shampoo in their eyes. We're just going to move the mat for a second to get all the soap to go down the plug. We've got a solid mat so he can grip onto that. If the bathtub's too smooth, they may try and climb up it. There we are, baby. One more. Okay. Does he feel dry? Does he feel nice and soap-free?
Yeah, it's good.
One last rinse. Turn the water off. Make sure the water's not too hot and not too cold. Then wring Mr. Cat out. Okay. Then we're going to dry him. Give him a really good scrub. Makes them feel nice. Just make sure you don't want them to run away, of course. There we are, baby. How are you feeling? Now, have we got then the next thing is to put them in a place where it's nice and warm to let them dry thoroughly. Hello, Jarrah.
Nice and clean, Jarrah. Good boy.
Okay, and if you blow dry them, you can try and blow dry them, but they may be frightened of the noise. Otherwise, just a nice warm room till they dry, and then turn the heater off and let them cool down.
Okay.